Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, in the last class we did the revision of chapter 1, introducing myself for your UT1 examination. So today we are going to do the revision of chapter 2, my body and its organs. So please all of you take your EVS book, page number 14, chapter 2. Okay children, chapter 2, my body and its organs. In this chapter we learnt we have many parts in our body. Our body has many parts. What are they? See here, our body looks like this. Now we have eyes, nose, mouth, and inside the mouth, tongue. Now we have fingers, we have hand, we have knees, we have toes, we have feet and leg, etc. Okay, we learned there are many parts in our body. Next, after learning our body parts, we learned the sense organs. Okay, we have many sense organs, and what are they? We learned. What are they? Our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, they are known as our sense organs. How many are they? There are 5: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. They are our sense organs. Okay, now look at the picture. What she is doing? She is watching the cartoon. So we see with our eyes. Okay, she is sitting and seeing. The child, what he is doing? He is smelling the flower through nose. Okay, now what she is doing? She is hearing the song. How? Through her ear. She is hearing. Okay, these are by eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. They are our sense organs. Now turn to page 16. So you see what he is doing, this boy? He is tasting ice cream. How he is tasting? Through his tongue. Okay, we taste with the tongue. What this boy is doing? This boy is doing touching the sheep. So he is feeling what it is, etc. So we feel by touching, with the skin. Okay children. Then we learned in this chapter the points that we learned in our other previous pages. What are they? Our body is made up of different parts, and each part of the body has its own role to play. And we have 5 senses, and we should take care of our body. Okay. Then we learned the new words. What are they? Toe, knee, chew, teeth and sense organs. Okay. Okay class, we learnt these words to learn. What are they? Toe, knee, chew, teeth and sense organs. Toe means the 5 parts that we have in our feet. Knee is the part in the middle of our leg which helps us to bend our legs. Then chew, that to break our food into smaller pieces. That helps, the teeth helps us to break it. Then teeth. What is the teeth? It is a hard white part that we have inside our mouth. And the sense organs, the parts of the body, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. They are our sense organs. Okay. After completing our chapter, we did the exercises. Filling the blanks. Choose the correct answer. Then answer the following question and do and learn. Okay. So now we are going to have a small worksheet. There we will be learning about a chapter My Body and Its Organ and the exercises how it is going to come for a UT1 examination. Okay. See, in this worksheet I have given you filling the blanks. I have filled the blanks which is in bold letter. Please do you read and learn it. Okay, and write down in your copy and practice. Filling the blanks. You see, our body is made up of dash part. It is a many parts. So that's why I have written down. We have fingers on our hands and toes on our feet. Okay, this will be the blanks. So I have written down. Please do read and practice. Third one. We hold a pencil with the help of our fingers. We eat and speak with our dash. We speak and eat with our mouth. Fifth one. We dash take care of our body. We should take care of the body. Okay. Now next, choose the correct answer. We see with our, there are eyes, ears, nose, tongue. How do we see? We see with our eyes. That is a correct answer. Okay, so that I have given you tick. Please do you practice in your house. The second one. We hear with our dash. Ears, toes, nose, tongue. How do we hear? We hear with our ears. So, ear is the correct answer. Third one. We taste with a dash. Tongue, eyes, skin and ears. How do we taste? We taste with a tongue. So, tongue is the correct answer. Okay. Fourth one. We feel with a dash. Skin, nose, ears and eyes. We feel with a skin. It is the right answer. So, please do and write and learn. Which of these is not a sense organ? So we learn there are 5 sense organs, but here there are face, eyes, tongue and skin. So among that, which is a not sense organ, it is a face. Okay children, so these are filling the blanks and choose the correct answer exercise. You will get for your UT1 examination like this. The third one, C. Answer the following questions. What you have to do? I have written the question plus answer. So please do read and learn the question answer. Okay. How many parts are there in your body? There are many parts in my body. Which part, second one, which part of your body do you use to watch TV? I use my eyes to watch TV. Okay, we use eyes to watch TV. The third one, how many eyes do you have? So how many eyes do you have? You have to write the answer. I have 2 eyes. Fourth one, how many ears do you have? Answer you have to write. I have 2 ears. Fifth question, do you have mouth? Your answer will be yes, I have mouth. Sixth question, how many mouth do you have? Your answer you have to write. I have 1 mouth. Seventh question, how many nose do you have? You will be writing I have 1 nose. Okay. Now next come to the 8th question. What are they? The 8th question. The 8th number is how many tongue do you have? You will write here I have 1 tongue. How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. 10th question. How many legs do you have? You have to write I have 2 legs. Then 11th question. How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. 12th question. How many toes do you have? I have 10 toes in both legs. How many knees do you have? I have 2 knees. 14th question. How do you run? So you will write, I ran with my legs. 15th question. How do you write? You will write here, I write with my hand. 16th question. How do you eat? You will be writing here, I eat and speak with my mouth. Okay. The 17th question. How do you see? You will write, I see with my eyes. 18. How do you smell? You will write here, I smell with my nose. Okay, we'll be smelling. We smell with our nose. 19. How do you hear? I hear with my ears. 20th question. How do you taste? You will write the answer, I taste with my tongue. The 21st question. Which part of your body do you use to color your drawing? Your answer will be, I use my hands and fingers to color my drawing. Okay children, this is your worksheet from your chapter 2. I will send you in the telegram. So please do read and learn at home and prepare for your UT1 examination. Okay children, wish you all the best. Do well and we'll see you in the next class.